Me ba mu nyina afihia pebio ya senhia na de di kan me da mu nyina se me hwe odo amu yi na di kire me ene se ne mu kura me amuni me ye adume ya mani so nti nyame nhira wo ba bia wo bia na me mpa ebo ne se de wu ye bia so no nyame ye den emenko yie ma se be ya wo be nya break akra be hwe original so wa ho na de me no ba be ye drink we de ohia o na de atwa bronya no che se eye kama nkasa o guess ba ombe so ya de so wa ho sa nti de jiwa konya sanya original me kana no ne yemfa ye Sobolo juice emfa nhihyeso enti de me wo ha say star aniseeds so anu say netie na we nsu cardamom pods anu so mafa baako 12 1 teaspoon na we cinnamon stick so anu nsu ni baako na we cloves 1 teaspoon pepper so na we say hwentia na 5 na we say sliced oranges ama dry so wo dry oranges na and also flavors ebema wo juice ni tuni use fresh orange ba person who send ya me na wo ja me commenter me ye ho adwuma ma na we nso Sobolo nenu ni leaves no na cup am di susu ye ni 2 full cups eno ne go ha say so na me person me di we try star aniseed no eno bottle no eni na eno ne wa wo Morrison shop bia ubenye bi me to Morrison na uni spices nso a me wode a ade ebebo aba here mix spice so na wase bi na ade egum we red grapes and also about 2 cups metiti gumu so and we 2 apples red one obetumi use di opebia and we pear na pear no but modern so be use the overripe one hwe ma wo na mami ancho on se mimi aye kom nti hwe se o pear na so on se mimi juice na ba sana wo pear nye de ye mono and we say pineapple baako but me use fan nti no de me wo ha ye de ba be adwuma won se ne o ma me kire wi simple se ne me kan na de di kan spices yi ho asem na me obeka me de no me grind it first no na me grind na me de egu na me hu se ma me drink e kire yanyo nti won se na wo se me di sugar be egu they say they see chile se me ye tiso nti they say me so more fruits natural so uwie na se enye dem a wa between the brown sugar kitu e biegu ba ye say ya yemfa asichire bia enko so na spices ne say na me kan no betumi grind wo de ba o grind de a star aniseed no ene hwentia no so echire anyo nti ano de wo grind de a half crampo star aniseed mbe okay wanye sa o drink no echire na ba anyo entity sanya me kai and skip it through the video say beya ubehunu sanya me and me dey me grind e bia tije wakonya and say the man say ma fa cold water na wa fa leaves 2 cups no wa hwie so over pe wo na why wa can so na dey a me tie and say me fan say Christmas day na me be use we ya 23rd and I said 22nd na me di mahoho mi Sobolo no nyina na me di egu nsuo masi amade a chiama kala no eyi mo ema eno penny difference no one near we nyina na di asi ho ansa na wo hwe a hye fridge nti ebedu 25 na flavors no I intensify so nti no ye ne sa na aye no gina hoje ana no ma ema enye de nti no yesi wo be 2 days once I come so they say there me na ne say na wo kro me leaves no na do pot bia o pese we ya dem use kama and they say there me and say me spices no me ya dem hwie ni na egu so na hwentia no boom so boom a boom se ebehi hwanu bebre the cardamom no use bi da use bi e kama na feel star aniseed na no so na feel we hwie pepper no in ego so I have am for try you me dey see as na feel be fruit no if they say there me and it's on grapes no otiti ni nyina na opesa juice na releasing temawa na ma e de me twetwa mienu eya eboa ema e de minya me juice na free montem ni nyina ba ben de but to ye the say na and also But my dear answer about grow fruits needing come so. Na fi o apples so. And why say would you trim keke? And how who say will ye be here this year best on in so. They said, dear me, and Nanny said, we try me pineapple no me. Be Jaffan. Me babe, and she am a de babe near 2 liters, so I'm to me a fat pineapple. Into a non sono, and to trap a you, never one, and yin tungu, who to chum cake and I be a book. But more than I said, bear and catch back across. The Abusia for Sunday may make shay. Now, me see I have him ye and women did you call? Oh, dear, me sit try. So now feel for 2 liters of water, weigh 1 liter. So I know where she goes. Now, Ujan many low crowd per se simmer brow. To my son, another 1 liter account. So into 2 liters no any. So into when and ration, men one to the boise. Na and release the juice nina wash. Da you with your bruno. Ha, brunya papi. Beko yet. I was here for your drinking a sisu na me see a piano. Hey, the smell alone in the house. Oh my God, you have to try this. I will try. Miriam. Na makashe na me say yes chire bia je wa no me or dirty original Miriam will star aniseeds and fruits in a nini na mreba ti me manesi so esiso for bare 10 minutes penio one say enhuru kitikiti na chese ehu aka ho me pese fruit ni na mre kora. I was here for me see I am me did you call o de kope o cardamom pot no so and near my match aniseeds near there no star 1 and you so and kitten na there nkwan for star 1 no come Morris in supermarket we are benye bi na de met me aka tro ne say me ka hwe no ye de sichire na ye man because of fruit na me de agumo e kama so enti say wo per sichire use brown sugar when you brown sugar use white sugar. But I say it's for 25 minutes. Inti minyantu me sannia on a low heat for 20 minutes. I can't. Nani na be 45 minutes. And sana ya can de be no wasem. Inti 25 minutes through your cooking. Now do what children egu. But trust me, we have a recipe ya. Ukra win yes children. Umusa. Yes, we are so sorry if you are going so. I'm sure for to say, well, send your not baby a line it that way. They say sisu for 40 minutes. Wow. Na dia me ye nyina ne say me yi me pineapples ne pe efrim me kira ode be me yi ni nyina efrim and na fe we yi o dry orange no and so ba modern yi fi ba resa beti bia me kan 2 year resa beti bia nto ansa me de fork na na we yi efrim and na me do me jan to dum jana no afa potato masha so they say me percent you a fruit no enyina no me de miamia so cause me percent juice ni na e wo mu I am ready to see so so I had the eye careful mommy but you be really opa ye na adwono me a me ye no tama eshi. So I was saying I'm the potato mash and anemia. Well, so we are earlier, about 2-3 days before Christmas. I may see her, my dear, chance and was strain. But me manager, nothing my best strain actually. Tiabusia for a juicy na adrio, Cassania. I come. So, one sending with the potato mashani and Hediae. They say the me and Sabama, the Sonny and I easy a mammy tino. Na wafa, who strain na a cassie, so just any be you any be a free once. Now, when and two go a back on once. They say the me and Nancy sama I easy access a mammy. Now, if you were straining and me straining, you didn't come. Me sonny first one, because say apples near the end, me near me as Nitianuni, to me she near sign the sonny subia. And to say no, my whole bro, me be she, and my denchi go at me, sans sonny subia, I feel you. Into me a second one as well, say na pa going to or cheese cloth I bet me is but we used to strain and iron it twice now. Hey, okay, so to me this one I fear to. And say baby I made you one me the back of chef free to I'm an actually until me the one pineapple ne orange and me so dry orange and I know they no aside the good. Until I know the two goes and meet me me the beef fry but the academy send over to me a gel good. Yes, I come. Now, juice way say and made the idea, my recipe way. Who bet me no warm and I say cold. So, that is said the wakoto non alcoholic mulled wine, come into no bet me a warm and also said, who bet me cold. Near me and say, me grapes in the kind, me freezy, and the pineapple me slice and me freezy, to me by 7 my hoa with the boom on a chest and the goose one. Until I am Sam, me queen. I was young for hey, wash it. Then to the costume table so. The car you 2 liters now, me, and me. So, when I saw the trebby, every wall. Ah, what are cheers? Why? And to wait there, I am a Christmas Sobolo recipe. Nyame aduma me with different recipes. So no, so subscribe to this channel. But more than subscribe it. And to the cast here and to go. Your band so Christmas Day, who guest day, but 1 year the annual person we smell of here. Now they see a jasso, Busio Gusu Kakra, and one. Just a while you already one dance here. A yin kind wolf here in a never why say Swanty and 2 winter no see a wanted. Until one send yet, and said I'm kind, way add or trouble was a win stitching. No more grind, there was spices now. The whole day, obey here stitching. I'll try me a recipe, maybe win stitching tino. Meeting a meja, I will be a will be a number more than so try recipe. So all the best.